But yeah, this is my style. Just trying something new. Sir, you tear my pants up. But yeah, trying something new. I love these marble beads. They're really cute. They're a little hard to sleep with. But I just put my hair back in a ponytail and try to just put them to the side. But yeah, stay tuned if you want to see me install these. But okay, welcome back to my channel, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But I'm just gonna do a voiceover for this video because Remy would not stop barking. But basically, I take a section of about 3 locks and I put them together. I'm pinning my second section back to the back. I use Murray's Edge Wax. It's like my favorite thing to braid. It holds really well, and you don't want to use too much because it will like turn white if you use a lot. So use it sparingly, but I think it has a really great hold and it kind of conditions your roots, so I'm all for moisturizing. But you can use really any old braiding hair. I use the pre-stretch hair at the hair store. I'm not really sure what brand because I don't even really buy braiding hair. It's just kind of already under my bed. But I section it off. I'm doing these pretty big just because I have locks, so I'm putting 3 locks in each braid. But the section, I would say the section's width was about the width of my index finger if you wanted to have something. But yeah, if you can match it up with the index finger, you have a pretty good size braid. And I just wanted to make sure it's tapered at the end, so I pulled it a little bit. Okay, we're going to get up close and personal so you guys can see me install this braid. But basically, I'm just going to put the hair over the top of my braid and I grip it at the bottom. And you just want to wrap one piece over the next. It's pretty hard to put it into words, but hopefully I have some visual learners out there watching this video. But I'm going to do a second one and I'm going to keep it close, so hopefully you guys can see how I install them. But I learned by kind of feeling it. So if a braid doesn't feel secure in there or you don't like the way it looks, take that guy out, start all over until you get it right. I just say be patient with yourself and practice really helped me a lot. But yeah, now I'm just going to take it all the way to the end. I sped it up a little bit so we didn't have to watch all of it. But you're just going to, I braid like taking the hair under my hand, I guess. But yeah, just take it all the way to the end. I don't leave any hair out because for me, that leads to unraveling. So just be patient with yourself and turn on some music and just enjoy braiding your hair. Okay, so I dipped them and now the ends are nice and straight. And now I added beads. So I'm gonna beads on. But yeah, I'm just gonna add some things just because I don't know, I've never done anything so jumbo big. So the beads are really helping me to build this style. But yeah, I saw it on Pinterest and I was like, why not try it? I don't have anything to lose or anything else to do besides my online schoolwork, but all I do is put the beads on this little thing, loop the hair through, and just push them on. I put 8 beads on each braid. So yeah, 4 beads. Put the hair through this tiny little hole. I'm just gonna push them up, and then I'll take a rubber band. It had these like long pieces hanging out, so all I did was just cut it off. And then I took that little piece in the first bead, and it's pretty much how I do it. So now I'm gonna do the other one. Same thing. Wrap. I've been using rubber bands all day, so I feel like that's kind of why I've gotten to the point where I can just kind of, what I'm doing is like twisting and going over. But he is really going in on my pants. If you tear a hole in my pants, I promise you, it's gonna be your job to mend them. I can't come in there. But yeah, I like to wear them like this. Usually I'll throw this one across too, just to add a little something. This is a style. I'm probably gonna do my makeup. Add a little oil to my scalp. Put a little lip gloss on. I got these beads from the hair store. They were like $2 a pack. I bought 2 packs because I put 8 on each. So yeah, I'm gonna go get cute.